Oh, don't you hate it when you're on social media and you're just assaulted with advertisements? And not just any advertisements. Lately, what I've seen on the likes of Facebook and Instagram are advertisements for people who are stealing hundreds of thousands of digital models and then selling access to them. What? Well, I suppose I should say allegedly doing this because they advertise these models, they don't specify whether or not they have the license for these models, and then they go about touting that it's really inexpensive. They will sell you access to a Google Drive that they consistently update. One of these sites is called Geek Madness, and Geek Madness is the one that I saw lots and lots and lots of advertisements from. And when they did that, someone had left a comment on the Facebook saying, I would like to see a sample. And they said, just comment sample and we'll send it to you. So it sends you to their website. And on their website, if you scroll down a bit, you can see download our sample pack. Sweet. It takes you to a mega.nz file storage system link, and then you can download a massive RAR file, which I did. In this RAR file are 24 different folders illustrating the type of digital models that this website can sell you.
Allegedly.
I'm gonna find out whether or not the alleged stolen models are actually stolen. That's right. I'm gonna find the stolen models. The height of the investigation is here at 3D Printing Nerd Studios, proudly powered by PCBWay. Click that link in the description. You'll like it. This is kind of exciting because I feel useful in a way. Like I'm doing some investigative work. I'm going through and looking at what this sample pack offers and then finding out if in fact these are homegrown models or if they're just stolen from another website. There are 24 models to go through and I found the status of all of them. The links that I mentioned, it's going to be down below so you can go investigate for yourself.
Get over there!
And we're going to start at the top. In this case, Gwenum Statue Marvel, stolen. This is stolen. By Ian. This is actually a model by Ian Robinson. Good human right there. And you can find it over at ArtStation. Final Fantasy, Buster Sword, stolen. Hellboy, stolen. All of them are confirmed stolen. So in doing this little exercise, the 24 different STL models that they used as their sample pack, of those 23 are 100% stolen, and one is stolen, but with an asterisk. I'm not surprised, not even the least, not even the least. And in doing the research to try to find these models, every search turned up usually 2 more sites that had stolen the models. In fact, there was one site that had stolen the model but listed it in a multi-model pack, and one of the model packs they offered that was continually updated were Patreon models. I think that's the lowest of low, nearly.
Oh, come on.
It bugs me. It bugs me. And I was really afraid I was gonna have to give one of these terrible companies some of my money in order to download a pack to verify that there were stolen models in it. I thank Geek Madness for having a shred of decency and giving a sample pack to show me that more than 99% of the models are confirmed stolen. We are inundated with these ads, and I don't think that's gonna stop. And so what I wanna propose to you, the viewer, is a few things. One, is this something to worry about? Like, I don't like the fact that these companies are profiting off others' work without others being compensated. I think that's shady AF. If you're watching and one of yours is stolen, are you worried about this? 2, what can be done about this? I can yell until I'm red in the face that please don't steal and support creators whose work you love. I can just scream that forever, but it doesn't matter because there's always going to be terrible people running awful companies who are gonna try to take advantage of others. That's just, unfortunately, that's human nature. And I don't know of a way around this.
I don't know.
So I would like to know if you have an idea for a way that this problem can be solved. Every picture and video that they showed on Facebook showed models that I knew belonged to other people, like MacGyver or Cinderwing. Take your pick, right? And I would always comment, nice stolen models, or goodness, your models are stolen. And people would ask them questions in the comments, and I would reply with, sure, you can ask about their stolen models, right? Just being a troll. And I got blocked. That's not a solution, but it was awfully fun to do that.
It felt good.
I don't know what the answer is. I want to make the world a better place. And what I'm always going to do here is attempt to teach and instruct and inspire and entertain as much as possible. So if in doing that, I can make the world a better place, then hopefully someone else can solve the problem of people stealing. Well, if you have good ideas, let me know. I'd love to hear about them in the comments. But for now, I'm going to close this. I'm going to finish my Doritos, and I'm going to have a wonderful night. And I hope you have a wonderful night too, because if you made it this far, you're awesome. Don't forget to hug each other more. Fight for a cause you believe in. Don't steal all the things. And as always, high five.